Everyday Essentials carrying case for your oil. A carry strap. Now open it up. Got a nice lining inside. And then you're going to pop these out to open your holes up. Which I've already popped the ones out for mine. And then you're going to take your essential oil and you're just going to stick it into the hole. Really simple, but they're very definitely secure, snug in it. It doesn't take long, and it does hold the 10 milliliter, sorry. And I think you can even put the 15 in it. And then once you're done putting them in, this is a thick protection too. Once you're done putting them in, you just close it up and you're ready to go. As you've seen, I turned it over, they didn't fall out. No. Zip it up. And it's ready to go. You can carry it anywhere you want to go.